Hi there, I'm Alexis with Smart Prop Trader. If you clicked on this video, you are probably wanting to learn more about who we are, what we do, and what we offer here at Smart Prop Trader. So I'm going to tell you just that. Smart Prop Trader is a proprietary trading firm which is looking for experienced traders. To ascertain if a trader has all the qualities we seek, we developed a two-step evaluation course. These two steps consist of the Smart Prop Trader Challenge and the verification. The course is specifically tailored to discover talent within a trader. Upon successful completion, traders are offered a placement in the Smart Prop Trader proprietary trading firm, where they can remotely manage up to $400,000 and continuously grow the account according to our scaling plan. As a Smart Prop Trader trader, you are eligible to keep up to 80% of the profits you generate. Our company covers all losses, if any. Now, we're not like any other prop firm. Our Smart Prop Trader focus is to be simple, fast, and trustworthy. We are simple because we offer straightforward splits and an easy interface. We are fast because we offer no minimum trading days. We have the lowest phase target in the industry at 7.5%, and you can potentially get funded that same day. And we are trustworthy because we have all hands on deck in our Smart Prop Trader Discord. Our team can be contacted directly around the clock to help with anything you need. To read some current trader experiences with our team, you can search Smart Prop Trader on Trustpilot to see all up-to-date reviews on our firm. Now, we don't have any unnecessary obstacles like other prop firms. We've picked all that's good in the market and kept it simple and straightforward, and suppressed all the things that don't work. So with this model, we are able to have everything in one place. There are a couple of key highlights I do want to touch on. First being your account. First, you'll choose the Smart Prop Trader account size that perfectly suits your trading style and needs. Smart Prop Trader accounts have no restrictions on holding positions over the weekend or trading during macroeconomic news releases. Second, our scaling plan. Our goal is for long-term business relationships with you. If you manage to be consistent and profitable, we will increase the balance of your Smart Prop Trader account by 25% every 4 months, according to our scaling plan. And third, our free trial. If you're still not sure if this is for you, you have the option to try the process completely for free. The free trial account is a shortened version of the Smart Prop Trader Challenge with the same trading conditions. Now here's how our payout system works. The default payout ratio for all Smart Prop traders is set to 80-20. However, an 80% share is not where we draw the line. If you meet the conditions of our scaling plan, not only do we increase the balance of your Smart Prop Trader account by 25%, the ratio will also automatically change to a staggering 90-10. All Smart Prop traders can request payout on demand. The payout can be processed just after 14 days, but you also have the ability to choose your own profit split day, which can even be changed up to 3 times. In conclusion, we make sure that you will always receive your withdrawal on your most convenient day. Our website makes it extremely easy to compare your options with us and other prop firms, comparing price, maximum drawdown, payout splits, targets, and more. Check it out now at smartproptrader.com. Finally, let me answer this question for you. Why is Smart Prop Trader the best prop trading solution you can find? Well, that answer is easy for me, but we know the turf, we know the trading industry very well. It took us so much time and effort, research, and everything to really tailor and optimize the best prop conditions for our clients. Our major aim is that our traders have the best chances of passing the evaluation process. Simply said, if our traders are profitable, so are we. It makes logical sense to support our traders by providing them with the freedom to trade without any restrictions or limitations and to offer them the best account conditions and leverage that nobody else does. Smart Prop Trader's #1 goal is simplicity for all of our traders. Stay tuned for an exciting video announcement tomorrow. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Smart Prop Trader, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. I hope you have an amazing day. Once again, I'm Alexis with Smart Prop Trader, and we look forward to working with you.